Hey everyone, Zach from Repco again, and another handy feature with Smartquote. Smartquote's our ultimate quoting program which assists by creating accurate logbooks as well as repair quotes fast. So let's see how fast Smartquote is. Search my rego, go to Smartquote, and it's brought up all the service intervals down the side. Now they're in line with OEM specifications, so that's exactly how Mazda sets them out. I'm doing a 60,000K, so I tick on that one. It's gone and got me all the details that I need. The important thing for this video that I want everybody to pay attention to is these above the line services. Now this catches some people out. The way that they write services, certain items like air filters, cabin filters don't have to be serviced in line with the normal specifications, so they separate them out. So for example, 60,000K on this one's my air filter, and then also I'm going to do, because of every 24 months, which I'm 6 years, so that's 3 sets of 24, I'm going to tick on that 40,000K, and that's actually my cabin filter as well. Now sometimes there's a couple of different options. You can see the pricing, you can see stock and availability. We'll tick out the ones that we want because they're in stock. I've got my brands there, and then also the user added service items. Now these are customized for me in my workshop, and you can have the same as well. All the details are there, all the parts that I need to fit, including with the oil. We show the specification so you know you're putting the right stuff in, and all the check and inspects that you have to do as part of that service. You can print the quote or the workshop report and then hand that to the customer. So that's how quick you can quote with Smartquote. Really fast and accurate to be able to give the right information for the right service for your customer. Now we do offer a free 30-day trial on Smartquote for anybody with Repco Nav Pro. To get your free trial set up, just go to the Smartquote tab when you've looked up a car. An ad will come up in the space here. Click on it, fill out the form, and it'll be set up with you in the next day. And that's it for this video. Make sure you watch out for the next one coming soon.